This garage came in at 435 square feet, a two-car bay with newer concrete in solid shape. A few minor issues near the door, some staining on the apron, a hairline crack, and some light pitting. We address everything before any coating goes down. Our first step is diamond grinding the slab. This opens the pores and creates the mechanical profile the polyurea coating needs to bond permanently. By comparison, regular paint sits on top of concrete with limited adherence. Polyurea bonds into it. As part of our preparation steps, we repaired the crack. We used a low-viscosity polyurethane and associated it with a special sand. Once we ground the floor, our crew mixed a two-part polyurea base coat and rolled it across all 435 square feet. While it was still wet, we broadcast the Pebble Beach decorative flake, a mix of cool gray, white, silver, brown, and maroon. The flakes lock into the base coat as it cures. To protect the polyurea base coat, we laid down a polyaspartic clear coat. That's what gives the floor the high-gloss, wet-look finish you're seeing here. It protects a garage floor against everything Michigan throws at it: road salt, hot tire pickup, motor oil, and the freeze-thaw cycles which create motion in the underlying concrete. Unlike epoxy coatings, polyaspartic coating won't yellow, won't peel, and handles temperature swings without cracking. We completed this garage floor coating job: surface prep, crack repair, base coat, decorative flakes, and clear coat, all in a single day. That was on Ashton Drive in Auburn Hills, Michigan.